In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a to-do list as a mind map with the InfoRapid KnowledgeBase Builder. I start by importing a text outline of the to-do list into the mind map. I will publish the template on GitHub and link it in the comments section of the YouTube video. I open the Edit Diagram menu and click on the Outline Text button in order to open the Insert Outline Text dialog. Then I paste the outline to do into the text field and press the OK button. And that's the mind map that InfoRapid KnowledgeBase Builder generates from the outline. Let us look at the imported text in more detail. The first thing you notice are the small icons preceding the item names. These are special Unicode characters which are displayed as icons and which can be used everywhere in the text. You can find a full list of them if you Google for Unicode emoji. The item name can be pure text or HTML formatted text. I use the HTML format in order to increase the size of the icons in front of each name. The next thing you will notice is the category name separated with 2 colons from the item name. Some of the category names have a preceding P colon which marks them as a special property category. Property categories are displayed as table cells and can be used here for statuses like planned, started, and so on. This shows them as table cells, which makes the mind map more clear. You will see this in more detail right afterwards. After the import, I have to do some cleanup. The use of the property categories for statuses and employees leads to table relations at places where we don't need them. We can change this by selecting the relation, opening the Edit Relation dialog and switch off the Table Relation option in forward and backward direction. This takes some time, but I will speed it up. After I've finished this, I will start assigning employees to the tasks that have to be done. First, I assign Frank the task Call a Customer. To do so, I draw a relation line between Frank and the Call Customer task. To clear up the diagram, I set this property relation lines to be visible only if one of both endpoints is the root item of the diagram. Since all property relation lines are in the same category, this setting applies to all of them. Next, I decide that Adrian has to write the letter. And that Jane has to make the backup. Peter assists her with the backup. Frank already finished calling the customer. Adrian planned to write the letter. And the backup is in progress. Later on, the backup has finished and I want to change the state. To do so, I first have them make the backup task to the root item in order to see the relation between backup and in progress. I do so by double-clicking on the backup task. Now I can select the relation line and delete it. Then I create a new relation from the finished status to the backup task. And select the original root item by double-clicking on it. That's it. And doesn't look it pretty when rotating in 3D mode? There are many videos to come, so stay tuned and subscribe my channel. And if you have questions or ideas for new videos about the KnowledgeBase Builder, then please let me know.